For your convenience and comfort, the all-new BMW X7 features switches in the luggage compartment area to operate the second and third row seats. There are 2 switches for the second seat row and 2 switches for the third seat row. The top 2 switches operate the seats on the left side of the vehicle, the bottom 2 the seats on the right side of the vehicle. These switches should only be pushed or pulled once, depending on if you want the seats to fold up or down. The speed of the movement has been kept low for safety reasons. During operation, an orange LED is slowly blinking. In case of a fast blinking LED, a failure has occurred. When pressing the max space button, all rear backrests of the second and third row seats are folded down. If your vehicle is equipped with 6 seats, the third row seats fold down and the second row seats move all the way back. When pressing the max comfort button, all the rear backrests move to an upright position. If your vehicle is equipped with 6 seats, the third row seats go back up and the second row seats move back to the home position. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.